Hello, I'm Carol Sparge, and I am here with Joel Johnson, managing partner of Johnson Brunetti, and we're talking about retirement and documents that you need. And I think a lot of us are procrastinators, or we just don't even think about these things that we really need.
Right, there's an amazing stat, Carol. 50 to 60% of Americans don't even have a will. And the trick here is, actually, you do have a will. The state has written one for you based on the state laws and so on. So it's really important that, just to start off, the most basic part of estate planning is do a will. Make sure people understand what your wishes are when you pass away.
And power of attorney is important. Explain what that is.
Yeah, this is sort of the next level of estate planning. A power of attorney simply says, and I'll use myself as an example, if I got in a car accident, I couldn't make any decisions for myself. In my case, my wife, Wendy, has the ability to make those decisions for me. She has the legal authority to make those decisions for me.
And then there's a health care directive. Is that if somebody gets sick?
Yeah, it is. So this is not just what I just mentioned about Wendy making decisions for me. That could be everything. It could be financial and so on. Healthcare directive simply says I could appoint somebody to make healthcare decisions for me, or it could even say do not resuscitate or something like that. And it's important we have all these things done because we don't want some action taken that is not to our wishes.
And what is information document?
So this is something that's not a legal document, but it's important. You know, if I pass away, I've got 4 boys. I want to make sure that the boys get certain things like maybe cars or artwork or something like that. I want it to go to the right kids, right? The ones that I want it to go to. So having some type of an information document that's just an informal document that the family can have is really, really important.
And you have a guide there.
Yeah, we have a guide, and it's called The Greatest Gift. And it talks about everything we've talked about so far, but it really focuses it on that informational document, that wish list, all the things that wouldn't be caught up in a will or a trust or an estate plan. And it's so important. This is what really makes it smooth when somebody passes away.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, Carol.
And you can get the free book by going to bettermoneyatlanta.com. Again, you want to go to bettermoneyatlanta.com.